Gattu and Chinky's Blanket Fort. Gattu and Chinky's winter holidays are going on. Like every day, they are going out of the house to play badminton today too. But Mummy suddenly stops them.
Gattu Chinky, stay at home today. It is too cold outside. If you go out, you will get sick.
But Mummy,
No ifs and buts. Just do as I've told you to.
Gattu and Chinky's faces are filled with sadness. Now they don't understand what they should do. Then Mummy comes there and switches on the TV. An art and craft show is going on the TV.
Gattu Chinky, you both watch TV. In the meantime, I will make hot noodles for you.
wow Mummy, TV and noodles together. It will be a lot of fun today.
The smile returns on Gattu and Chinky's faces again. And they start watching TV with fun. Children, today we will learn to make a blanket fort. And to make it, we need a sofa, some blankets, and some pillows. To decorate it, you can bring along and use your soft toys and lights. Gattu and Chinky had just started watching TV when suddenly the electricity goes off. Their entire enthusiasm cools down. Then Mummy brings hot noodles for them.
Gattu and Chinky, noodles are ready.
No Mummy, I don't want to eat noodles. Me too.
But why?
We thought we will enjoy TV and noodles, both of them together.
But our whole plan got ruined. Hey, what is this? What do noodles have to do with TV?
They do, Mummy. You won't understand.
Gattu and Chinky get irritated and sit in a corner. Now they can neither go out nor they can sit at home and watch TV. Then suddenly an idea comes to Chinky's mind.
Gattu, why don't we make that blanket fort? The one that was shown on TV? Yes, that one. But we won't be able to make it alone.
And just then Mummy comes over there.
There is no need to make it alone. Because I am going to help you in making the blanket fort.
Yay!
Gattu, Chinky and Mummy start the work of making a blanket fort. Then they set a lamp exactly in the center of it. Meanwhile, Gattu comes over there with 2 pillows and Chinky with a blanket.
Mummy, first of all we have to set this blanket on this sofa and lamp. Okay?
Okay, both of you hold this blanket from that side and I will hold it from this side.
The blanket is set in just a few minutes. Everyone feels that half of the work is done. But then suddenly the blanket slowly starts slipping from the sofa. And then in a few seconds, the whole blanket just comes and sticks onto the lamp.
Mummy, what to do now? This blanket is very heavy. Kids, we need something heavy to keep it stable and covered. The heaviest of all is our school bag, Mummy.
It's true. Then go and bring your school bags. Now only your school bags will keep this blanket from falling.
Gattu and Chinky go and bring their school bags. The 3 of them together set the blanket again. And once the blanket is set, Gattu and Chinky keep their school bags on it to keep it from falling down. And this time the blanket doesn't slip.
Our blanket fort is ready. Now we are going to decorate it. Gattu, why don't we decorate it with Diwali lights? Good idea. But there is no electricity yet. Then how will the Diwali lights be lit? Oh no, I had forgotten this.
Don't worry, kids. I have the perfect solution for this problem.
Mummy leaves from there. And when she comes back, she has 2 bottles of cork lights in her hand. Seeing the light of the cork lights, Gattu and Chinky's eyes get a sparkle in them.
Wow, these lights are very beautiful.
They are beautiful and useful too, as they run on battery. Whether there is electricity or not, lights will always be on.
Oh wow!
Gattu, Chinky and Mummy start the work of decorating the blanket fort. First of all, Mummy puts a mattress inside the fort. After that, she puts 2 pillows inside. And finally, in the end, she puts cork lights.
This looks really beautiful, just like a dream. I will bring my teddy bear. If he is here, then this fort will look more beautiful. And I am going to get my Spider-Man.
Chinky goes and quickly brings her teddy bear. and places it exactly between the pillows. Gattu places his Spider-Man just next to the teddy bear.
Mummy, I am feeling very hungry now. Please bring the noodles that you made for us. Please?
Those noodles. I gave them to Bunty and Hari, and now there is not a single packet of noodles at home.
Oh no. Then can you make a pizza for us? It has been a long time since we ate pizza.
I would have, but for that, there should be cheese at home too.
So mummy, you make sandwich for us.
Cannot make a sandwich too because there is no bread at home.
Oh no.
I will do one thing. I will make roti and sabzi for both of you. Okay?
No roti and sabzi. We want to eat something tasty.
Gattu and Chinky's mood gets spoiled again. Then suddenly someone knocks on the door of the house.
It seems your papa has come.
Mummy opens the door for Papa. Both of them tiptoe and go to their blanket fort and then stand outside it.
It would be so much fun if we could get something good to eat. Yes, Gattu, you are right.
Mummy Papa starts smiling after listening to the innocent talks of Gattu and Chinky. Surprise, surprise, surprise! Gattu, Chinky, look what I have brought for you. Hearing Papa's voice, Gattu and Chinky come out of their blanket fort with a bang. Papa has 2 big boxes of noodles in his hands.
Noodles! You have brought noodles for us.
Yes, and that too from your favorite Chinese restaurant.
Thank you, Papa.
Don't thank me. Thank your mummy. Your mummy only told me to get these noodles while coming home.
Thank you, Mummy.
So now tell me, children, is there any place for me in your blanket fort?
Yes, Papa. Our blanket fort is very big.
That is great. Gattu, Chinky, Mummy and Papa, all 4 of them enjoy noodles together. That too inside the blanket fort. Gattu, Chinky, would you like to see the rabbit?
Papa, now there is absolutely no space left in this blanket fort, so the rabbit cannot fit in it.
Chinky dear, I'm not talking about the real rabbit. Papa turns off the cork lights and turns on the flashlight of his phone and makes the shadow of a rabbit with his own hands.
Wow!
By the way, I also know how to make an elephant.
Make it, Papa.
Then Papa twists his hands in such a way that the outline of an elephant starts appearing. After this, Papa also makes the outline of a barasinga, peacock and goat. Then suddenly the electricity comes back.
Kids, electricity has come. Don't you guys want to watch TV?
No, Mummy. The fun that is in this blanket fort will not be in the TV. I will now stay in this blanket for the entire winter.
Everybody starts laughing out loud after listening to Gattu.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.